other boys they come and they won't come hola. Oh yeah, but you're the only one that I've got my mind on. Yeah, I feel put my heart in a song for you. All the stuff I got and it's all for you. I won't keep you waiting, I know that you want it. Bad as I do.
Like 45 minutes drive from Regina. Today is Saturday, by the way, so I'm going to get my hair done and I'll see you guys soon. I'm here. You guys should see my eyes. Like I'm running on like 2 hours sleep, so I'm here right now. I'm going to make my way to exactly where I'm making this from. Oh man, my hands feel so cold. The weather is really getting so cold right now, so we just entered fall. Yeah, moose jaw, not bad. All right guys, God. I was supposed to show you guys these things in the house, but I couldn't, so I'm just going to show you. This is like where I have all my hair stuff. Maybe when I go inside, I'll just vlog proper for you guys. I'm just going to grab my bags. And of course, my water bottle. I got her some oil, you know, from the African store, because I don't think they have African store here. Yeah. And then my laptop is at the back. Talk to you guys soon. Okay. Guys, sorry I didn't. Okay, do you want to show? No? Oh, yes. Oh, you want to show? Yes, so we are relaxing the hair. We're in a hurry, but I'll place you guys on the tripod soon. And yeah, you can see more of what we are doing, but we go chatting, not about the real life things. So I almost forgot that I'm vlogging. It's even Kevin that reminded me, like, we did do it before. I'm like, yeah, I always do this. I'll place you guys on the tripod and talk soon. Am I in frame? I think so. So I wanted to vlog and I realized that I didn't come with my memory card. That stuff always happens to me, like, because you know you have to remove memory card to edit, right? So I'm actually editing and it's in my laptop, my second laptop. I have the other laptop here and it's so annoying. So I can't vlog with my camera. So sad. You have to vlog with the phone. Yeah. So I'm done relaxing my hair. Why am I so happy? Like I feel like this is luxury here, like, because it was Nigeria, just relax your hair, but here, like, it's luxury. So I just finished relaxing my hair. I'm waiting for Nkem to give me food. Yeah, so after that, then make my hair. So I'll keep you guys updated, okay? Bye. I made a lot of people during orientation. Like, I'm not washing my shower.
So many times that I miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues. You're running around like you're single. Slow down, only you the ginger the whole town. Slow it sometime, go out, mountain for your back, make it run wild. Slow it sometime, time to slow down. so many things we could have been. You left me so cold. You know that I need you. Now I feel so cold. I gotta get even. Still I want you close. Sometimes I need you.
Guys, I got a ticket. Like, I got a ticket. Look at $65, but if I pay within 14 days, it's going to be $30. Like, I'm so pissed off right now. I thought that parking, my friend had told me that it's 5 p.m. But I was like, 5 p.m. I used to park there, that particular spot, but I wasn't sure if it was by 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. But I just asked another friend who confirmed that it's 6 p.m. So see the time, and I parked there around 5:08-ish. Oh yeah, that's crazy. But yeah, that is it. Oh, I got a ticket. So if you park where you're supposed to pay, and I had coins in my wallet, I would have paid $2. Oh my god. It's okay. I'm going to try and pay. Bye.
I've been dreaming about you. Wish I knew what you were up to. Wish I could hit you up just to say I'ma set up a TV and I like you to be with me. We could laugh about nothing at all. I'ma set up a TV and I like you to be with me. We could laugh about nothing at all. Truth is, I just wanna truth is, I just wanna truth is, I just wanna
Truth is, I've been stuck in my feelings these days. I've been up in my bedroom nowadays. Even with the sun shining so bright, I wait till stars come at night, so I could dream about you tonight. Truth is, I'm a little bit hesitant to hit you up. I get more scared as a damn grown up. This ain't a hookup, we could just burn up. I feel you so close up. I'm so sorry if I close up.
truth is, I just wanna
Guys, like, I'm super tired. I'm so tired. You guys already saw my nails. Can you hear me though? Yeah, like super simple. That's what I want. Like, it's just like a perfect fall nails, guys. See, I I tried to steam my face last night, and I don't know why I'm breaking out in this area of my face, which is super annoying. I tried to steam my face and do the MAC stuff last night. I think it worked because it doesn't pain me anymore. It's just the whatever that is there. So I actually went out right now to see if I can pick up. Oh, I'm sorry, my eyes are quite sensitive. So I'm just coming back from the salon where I went to do my nails. You guys saw that clip already. So I came back. I went to Canada. I went to the post my mailbox to check because I'm actually expecting something I ordered from I was actually expecting something I ordered, but because sorry, I have vitamin C here, I thought if you noticed. I ordered something I'm supposed to use to pack my stuff, you know, those luggage dividers or whatever they call it, like probably insert a picture. I ordered it, but unfortunately it didn't get here today. So I opened my mailbox and I saw this card. You know, let me cover my address. I saw this card. I saw like 3 of them from Canada Post because I ordered stuff, so I thought that they are here. Normally they would deliver to my house, but because I didn't have liberty like of time to wait, I decided to go to Canada Post to pick it up myself, because when they send this, is either it is there, it's most likely it's there with them. So I drove to Canada Post. It's not very far from my house, only to realize that they had moved from the spot where they normally stay. I didn't even, because the address is here, but I didn't look at it. I didn't look at the new address because I felt like it's the old one. So I just got there and they said they've shut down the location, so I had to go to a different location, which is the address here. So that's where I went to, and when I got there, they broke my heart. They told me that my stuff they told me that my stuff is not there yet, that it's gonna be there tomorrow, and I'm leaving first thing tomorrow morning. So I'm like, okay, but I have this one. This is also like you can use it to pack stuff, you know. It's also like a travel storage, whatever. What do you guys call it? I don't know, you know what I mean. So I'm going to try and see if I can use them to just like pack my stuff. Hopefully I'm able to show you guys when I'm packing, because I'm a bit in a hurry right now. This is past 4:30 and my lash appointment is at 5. It was initially for 5:30, but she just moved it to 5, so I have to head over to that place immediately I'm done talking to you guys. I just wanted to do a quick update. I don't know when I'll pop in to talk to you guys again, maybe tomorrow when I'm on the trip. And I hope you guys continue to enjoy this vlog. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Tell me what you think about my nails. So guys, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.